Hello, my name is Preston Ingalls, and I've been a consultant in the heavy construction equipment industry about 30 years. I'd like to share with you some of the KPIs we've used in measuring effectiveness of performance and cost. So we put together a team of construction professionals from both Construction Financial Management Association and AEMP. And for the labor portion of this, we developed 6 indicators or KPIs. The first one is maintenance labor overtime. Overtime can constitute a sizable cost, so we want to be able to measure how much that is. Another one is percent rework hours. Generally, this means work that's been done or repeated within 30 days of the initial work. This is usually considered a quality measure. The next one is percent of man hours charged work orders. We've got to be able to capture all the work and costs that we have so we can analyze it later. It's very difficult to do any kind of reasonable analysis if you don't have a record of the work performed. Another one is wrench time as a percent of total man hours. This is a productivity indicator, and it generally looks at value-added time compared to non-value-added time. Then we have training hours per shop employee or mechanic. How much time and effort are we investing in keeping our people up to date on current technology? The last one is labor factor compared to total equipment hours. Very important ratio to see when we compare ourselves to others how well we're actually doing. Now, those are very important, and let's look at why. So if we look at labor efficiency, generally these 6 indicators or KPIs measure the effectiveness of labor management. How well are we managing our labor? Another one is the cost efficiency of that labor. It represents a fairly good chunk of effort and time. The other thing is the productivity of that workforce. When we look at the amount of work they're doing, how much of it is really value added? Then areas of improvement, opportunity, and focus. Where are the places we need to focus our attention? How well activities are being planned and coordinated. These are planning and scheduling. All those things are important because we want to be proactive with our labor as much as possible and not let them do things always on the fly. And the last one is how well are we developing the skills and knowledge of our workforce? When we look at investing time and effort in that and keeping them up to date, this is an important indicator of are we doing this well compared to others. So these are the 6 labor efficiency numbers. This also shows you the importance of measuring them.